Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a custom traverse rod configuration where the cord control is on the left side and the drapery stack is on the right side. Normally, this is not how a one-way traverse rod looks like. In a standard setup, if the stack is on the right, the cord is also on the right, and if the stack is on the left, the cord is also on the left. If you are comfortable with the cord and the stack being on the same side, we carry these rods in stock in multiple sizes and we'll leave links below where you can purchase them. However, if you want the cord on one side and the drapery stack on the other side, the rod cannot remain there in a standard one-way configuration. To make this possible, we must start with a center split traverse rod and modify it. Let's go step by step. In a standard center split configuration, the control cord is positioned on the right side. In our case, the cord is neatly bundled and secured with a small wire tie. Carefully release the cord from the wire tie and allow it to hang freely. Now, we need to reroute the cord so it exits on the opposite side. Go to the left side of the rod and begin gently pulling the cord through the track. As you pull from the left side, the cord will travel across the internal pulley system. If the cord becomes tight or stuck on the right side, pause and straighten it. Make sure it is not twisted or caught around any internal components. Continue pulling slowly and steadily from the left. As you approach the end of the movement, pay close attention to how the cord seats itself into the guide wheels on the right side. This is very important. Guide the cord carefully so it settles properly into the pulleys and wraps around them smoothly. Avoid any sudden or forceful pulling. Once completed, the operating cord should exit cleanly from the left side while sitting securely inside the pulley wheels on the right. The cord has now been successfully repositioned. If the drapery will travel from right to left and stack on the right side, we must remove the unnecessary carriers from the left side. Start at the left end of the rod. Open the small plastic end lever, end cap latch. Slide out all carriers from the left side. Remove every carrier until the left side of the track is completely clear. Close the latch securely. The left side should now be empty. Next, remove the left master carrier. To do this properly, the rod must be separated into two sections. 1. Disconnect the track at the center joint. 2. Gently slide the two halves apart. Once separated, slide the left master carrier out of the track together with the cord. Detach the cord from the master carrier. This removes the unnecessary master from the system. Before reconnecting, gently pull any excess cord so it lays evenly inside the track. Make sure the cord is not twisted and sits properly within the internal channel. Bring both track sections together. Carefully insert the small section into the larger one. While reconnecting, periodically pull any slack cord so it feeds smoothly inside the track. Continue adjusting until the cord is fully seated inside the track, the connection is secure, and the track is properly aligned. In recent years, both Canada and the United States introduced updated child safety regulations for window covering cords. Because of this, exposed curtain cords should no longer hang freely and should be covered whenever possible. That's why we developed our own clear safety cord shroud system, and we include it in every package we ship. The cord runs from the top of the traverse rod all the way down to a tension holder mounted near the floor. To cover the exposed cord while still allowing comfortable operation of the drapery, we use a two-piece transparent channel design. The channel sits around the cord, keeping it neatly contained against the wall, completely out of reach while remaining virtually invisible against most wall colors. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, especially in homes with young children or pets. If you're not sure how to measure your window correctly for curtains or shears, we have a detailed step-by-step video that will guide you through the process. I'll link it below. Now, test the system. Using the cord, operate the rod and observe how the single master carrier moves smoothly across the track. Ensure the movement is even and without resistance. For the final configuration, the cord exits on the left side. The master carrier is positioned on the right side. All remaining carriers are located to the right of the master. Now, we add the carriers we removed earlier in the video, and this is how to do it. First, open the latch on the right end of the track. Then, insert the carriers that we removed earlier. Add enough carriers to support the full width of the drapery. Close the latch securely. Always ensure the latch is fully closed to prevent carriers from sliding out. Now that you've seen the full process, we're not going to repeat all the steps again for this variation, but here's exactly what you need to do. Your cord control is already on the right side, and you want your drapery to stack on the left. The good news is you do not need to touch or reroute the cord at all. Instead, simply remove all carriers from the right side. At the center joint, gently pull one part of the track out of the other. Remove the left master carrier from the current side. Bring both track sections together. Reposition the right master carrier to the opposite side of the track. Add carriers to the left side. That's all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps our channel grow. Subscribe for more professional drapery installation and configuration tips and tricks. And follow us on Instagram for behind the scenes projects and design inspiration. Let us know in the comments what setup you would like us to demonstrate next. We're always happy to share professional insights to make your installation process easier and more precise. Thank you so much for tuning in.